Now, that cousin Isador Cashier, we were very, very close. He was my Uncle Izzy, and I was Ginola, or whatever. And practically every Sunday we used to go to his house. He had an apartment on 7th Avenue near Central. To me, it was like, you know, like the richest thing that you ever saw. So we used to be very close. First of all, he's a very well-known actor, extremely well-known. He made a movie. He was with Marie Schwartz. Before that, he was with Tomaszewski. And these were very, very famous people. He was a little chunky, a nice-looking man. And he remembered, of course, he remembered my father from Russia. This is all, or from wherever it was, what part of Russia it was. And so that's the reason they were in touch with each other. And he was the one that not sent for him, but told him that there's golden opportunities and please come. With me, he was the friendliest guy. He loved me. His wife's name was Jenny. He had one daughter, and we were family. And that was sort of the rich uncle, you know, very well known.